Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this tutorial episode, we will be learning how we can fix PayPal permanent limitation issue. Fixing a permanent limitation on a PayPal account can be challenging and will not be accomplished in a straightforward process. First of all, make sure you understand the reason why your PayPal account is limited. Every time PayPal imposes a permanent limitation, they send you an email explaining the reason. View your email to understand the specific violation. Common reasons might be suspicious activity, chargebacks, or security breaches. Once you learn one of the reasons for your limitation, you might need to provide documents to verify your identity. So make sure you gather the information that is needed, including government ID, proof of address, or business registration documents. Once you have all of those, open up your PayPal application. Go ahead and tap on the Help option, which will be located right inside your profile menu. Tap the human icon at the top left from the main home page, and from the profile option, tap on Help. Once you open up the Help Center option, tap on Contact PayPal Support at the bottom. Scroll down and then select one of the options to contact the customer service representative between Message Us, the Resolution Center, or Call Us. Select any one contact method and then reach out to the PayPal customer support. Clearly explain why you believe the limitation is unfair or mistaken. If you have any documents or evidence to support your case, present it to the PayPal during your communication. Also, make sure to be patient and persistent in your communication with PayPal, and you might be able to fix your PayPal limitation issue. So that is the only way you will be able to fix your PayPal permanent limitation. All you need to do is to contact the customer support and reach out to them with your problem. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.